Imagine waking up to the monotonous beep of your morning alarm, torn between two worlds, the comfort of routine and the yearning for something more. This is the daily dilemma faced by Matt Carney, a protagonist in Todd Connor's captivating narrative, Third Shift Entrepreneur. Matt, a military veteran turned business management strategist, finds himself on the brink of career success but grappling with a sense of unfulfillment. Despite his achievements and imminent promotion, he feels a void in his life, a nagging feeling that there must be something more meaningful awaiting him. As he embarks on another early morning business trip, leaving behind his sleeping wife and forsaking the adventures they once cherished, Matt's inner turmoil reaches its peak. It's during one of these routine rideshare journeys that Matt's life takes an unexpected turn. Engaging in a conversation with the driver, Matt stumbles upon an epiphany that ignites a spark of possibility within him, the idea of starting his own business. This encounter sets off a chain reaction, propelling Matt into a journey of self-discovery and entrepreneurial pursuit. As he navigates the complexities of entrepreneurship while balancing the demands of his day job, Matt encounters a diverse cast of characters who serve as mentors, guides, and catalysts for his transformation. Through their wisdom and insights, Matt begins to unravel the intricacies of building a business from the ground up, all while maintaining stability in his current career. Connor's narrative intertwines Matt's personal journey with the framework of the 12 observations, offering readers a roadmap for navigating the entrepreneurial landscape. Each observation serves as a beacon of guidance, illuminating key principles and strategies essential for aspiring entrepreneurs. From cultivating a growth mindset to embracing failure as a stepping stone to success, Matt's story exemplifies the resilience and determination required to pursue one's entrepreneurial dreams. As readers delve deeper into Matt's narrative, they are not only inspired by his courage and tenacity but also empowered to embark on their entrepreneurial journeys with newfound confidence and clarity. In this review, we delve into the rich tapestry of Matt's story, exploring the pivotal moments, lessons learned, and transformative insights that shaped his entrepreneurial path. Through Matt's experiences, we uncover actionable strategies and practical steps that aspiring entrepreneurs can apply to their own ventures, whether they're just starting out or navigating the complexities of balancing entrepreneurship with existing commitments. Join us on a journey of discovery and empowerment as we uncover the secrets to launching your dream business without leaving your day job, guided by the wisdom of Third Shift Entrepreneur. In the realm of entrepreneurship, chance encounters often serve as catalysts for transformative journeys. Take Matt, for instance, whose typical silence during rideshare trips takes a turn one morning when he engages with driver Kenneth. What begins as a casual conversation evolves into an enlightening exchange, as Kenneth, a consultant by day, reveals his side gig as a rideshare driver aimed at gathering insights for his own business venture. This revelation piques Matt's curiosity and prompts him to attend a meeting with Kenneth's entrepreneur group, the Third Shift Entrepreneurs, where he encounters a diverse array of ventures, each driven by a unique and deeply personal mission. Inspired by the stories shared during the meeting, Matt finds himself reflecting on his own aspirations. While he admires the passion and purpose driving his newfound acquaintances, he grapples with identifying his own obsession, the driving force behind his entrepreneurial dreams. Determined to uncover his true calling, Matt embarks on a journey of self-discovery, armed with homework assignments aimed at igniting his creative spark and broadening his perspective. With a list of passions in hand and a commitment to shaking up his routine, Matt sets out to explore new experiences and avenues for inspiration. As Matt immerses himself in unfamiliar terrain, he finds that every encounter, whether with fellow entrepreneurs or unexpected opportunities, offers valuable insights into his own path. Each interaction serves as a stepping stone, guiding him closer to clarity and purpose. With each passing day, Matt's vision begins to sharpen, and he starts to discern patterns and themes that resonate deeply with his core values and aspirations. Through introspection and exploration, he gradually unveils the contours of his entrepreneurial identity, paving the way for his next breakthrough in the entrepreneurial landscape. Matt's encounter with Yasel at a coffee shop unveils yet another dimension of entrepreneurship, leveraging one's main job to fuel a side hustle. Yasel's story mirrors Kenneth's in its strategic approach to balancing a full-time job with entrepreneurial aspirations. While Kenneth navigates the rideshare landscape to gather valuable insights for his corporate retreat business, Yasel harnesses her marketing expertise by working nights at a coffee shop with a roasting facility, affording her invaluable access to equipment and first-hand customer feedback. Their experiences underscore the significance of internships in the entrepreneurial journey, prompting Matt to explore his own passions with an intern's mindset. Inspired by Yasel's suggestion to align his love for outdoor adventure with his consulting background, Matt embarks on a quest to secure a new client in the outdoor industry. The entrepreneurial landscape further unfolds as Matt delves deeper into the third shift entrepreneurs community. A mystery event hosted by fellow member Chad unveils the power of leveraging personal passions within existing professional networks. Chad's venture into antique map trading, nurtured by his legal background and shared interests with colleagues, serves as a catalyst for Matt to initiate a conversation with his mentor, Saul. This dialogue ultimately paves the way for Matt to explore new client opportunities in the outdoor industry, bridging his professional expertise with personal interests under Saul's guidance and support. Whether through internships akin to Kenneth and Usel's or by leveraging existing professional networks like Chad and Matt, the message remains clear: entrepreneurial success often begins by seizing opportunities within one's current circumstances. By embracing internships and tapping into personal passions, aspiring entrepreneurs can lay the foundation for their ventures while leveraging valuable skills and resources from their main jobs. This approach not only fosters personal growth and skill development but also opens doors to unforeseen opportunities and collaborations. As Matt's journey demonstrates, taking that initial step, no matter how small, is essential to embarking on the path toward entrepreneurial fulfillment and success. Matt's immersion into the world of third-shift entrepreneurs exposes him to the ethos of rapid experimentation and adaptation, epitomized by Alberto's innovative approach to business development. As a store manager by day and creator of virtual reality experiences by night, Alberto and his wife leveraged their garage to prototype an immersive escape room concept, defying initial doubts about their ambitious vision. Their success underscores the importance of action over analysis, prompting Matt to recognize the value of small-scale experiments in bringing entrepreneurial ideas to fruition. The pivotal lesson from Alberto's journey lies in the concept of creating leverage, a theme that resonates with entrepreneurs seeking to align their ventures with personal goals and aspirations. While some aspire to build and sell businesses to reinvest in others prioritize stability and flexibility. By identifying their desired outcomes, entrepreneurs can leverage their experiences and networks to explore avenues for scaling and operational optimization. Alberto's transition from garage-based pop-up to consulting firm exemplifies the power of market feedback and strategic pivoting. In response to growing demand for their immersive experiences, Alberto and his wife adapt their business model to offer consulting services, capitalizing on their expertise and market insights. This evolution not only enhances their income but also affords them greater flexibility and autonomy in managing projects and time investments. Ultimately, Alberto's entrepreneurial journey underscores the transformative potential of taking small steps towards realizing big ideas. By embracing experimentation, observing market responses, and leveraging insights to inform strategic decisions, entrepreneurs can navigate the complexities of business development while remaining agile and responsive to evolving opportunities. As Matt reflects on Alberto's story, he begins to recognize the importance of action and adaptability in shaping his own entrepreneurial path. Kim's journey highlights the delicate balance between adhering to one's overarching mission while remaining flexible in the methods of its execution. Initially motivated by her personal experience of transitioning out of foster care, Kim envisioned creating a non-profit to support young people in similar situations. However, through diligent research and feedback from potential sponsors, she recognized the pressing need for housing solutions specifically tailored to young women. This pivotal insight led Kim to pivot her approach, narrowing her focus to address this critical aspect of support. By doing so, she demonstrated a willingness to adapt her strategy in pursuit of her broader mission, ensuring that her efforts remain targeted and impactful. The success of Kim's revised approach lies not only in its strategic alignment with her mission but also in its pragmatic response to real-world needs and resources. By honing in on housing solutions for young women, Kim maximized the efficacy of her efforts and optimized the allocation of available funding. Moreover, her ability to leverage government and community resources underscores the importance of building strategic partnerships and networks to amplify impact. Through this collaborative approach, Kim was able to create a sustainable model that not only addresses immediate needs but also lays the groundwork for long-term support and empowerment. Similarly, Matt's entrepreneurial journey reflects the dynamic interplay between passion-driven vision and adaptive execution. While initially uncertain about his entrepreneurial path, Matt's encounter with like-minded individuals through the Third Shift Entrepreneurs Group catalyzed his exploration of potential business ideas. Inspired by the diverse stories and experiences shared within the group, Matt embarked on a journey of self-discovery and experimentation, gradually honing in on a niche consulting venture in the outdoor industry. This iterative process of exploration and refinement enabled Matt to align his professional aspirations with his personal interests, ultimately leading to the realization of his entrepreneurial vision. Matt's experience underscores the importance of embracing experimentation and iteration in the entrepreneurial journey. By remaining open to new ideas and opportunities, Matt was able to test and refine his business concept, leveraging insights gained from his interactions with mentors and peers. Moreover, his willingness to pivot and adapt in response to market feedback allowed him to stay agile and resilient in the face of challenges. Aspiring entrepreneurs can draw valuable lessons from Matt's journey, recognizing the iterative nature of entrepreneurship and the importance of embracing uncertainty as a catalyst for growth and innovation. In essence, both Kim and Matt's entrepreneurial journeys exemplify the dynamic interplay between steadfast commitment to one's mission and adaptive flexibility in execution. By remaining true to their overarching goals while remaining open to new possibilities and feedback, they were able to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and ultimately realize their entrepreneurial aspirations. Their stories serve as a testament to the transformative power of passion, persistence, and adaptability in the pursuit of entrepreneurial success. Imagine this: you're sitting in your car, en route to the airport, your mind already brimming with thoughts of the day ahead. You've never been one for small talk during rideshares, but today something nudges you to engage. Little do you know, this seemingly insignificant decision will alter the course of your life. As the miles pass by, the conversation with your rideshare driver transcends the mundane, delving into the intricacies of your work and passions. You share details about your job, your aspirations, and your lingering desire for something more meaningful. The ride ends, but the conversation lingers in your mind, planting seeds of possibility. The next day, as you navigate another business meeting, a familiar face catches your eye. It's your rideshare driver. In that moment, you realize the profound connection between your seemingly disparate worlds. He, too, is a consultant by day, but by night, he ventures into the realm of entrepreneurial dreams. This encounter sparks a series of events that lead you to a group of like-minded individuals, each on their own journey of entrepreneurial exploration. Together, you explore the nuances of passion-driven ventures, learning from each other's experiences and perspectives. Fast forward, and you find yourself at a crossroads, armed with newfound clarity and conviction. Your journey has led you to the realization that entrepreneurship is not just about starting a business, it's about embracing your true purpose and making a meaningful impact. As you reflect on the path you've traveled, a sense of gratitude washes over you. You applaud yourself for having the courage to embark on this journey of growth and self-discovery. And as you look ahead, you feel a sense of anticipation for the adventures that lie beyond. Stay connected, for this is just the beginning. Thank you.